These foods are poison. Let's dive into the world of foods that many of us consume regularly but may not realize are harmful to our health. First on our list are processed meats, such as hot dogs, bacon, and deli meats. These foods are often loaded with preservatives like nitrates and nitrites, which enhance flavor and extend shelf life. However, studies have linked these additives to an increased risk of certain cancers, particularly colorectal cancer. The World Health Organization has even classified processed meats as a Group 1 carcinogen, meaning there is sufficient evidence to suggest they can cause cancer in humans. These dangerous toxins hide in all your favorite snacks. Look at some snacks you might enjoy but may not realize are hiding dangerous toxins. First up, we have potato chips. These crispy treats are often seasoned with artificial flavors and preservatives like BHT, butylated hydroxytoluene, which is used to prevent rancidity. While it keeps your chips fresh, studies suggest that BHT may disrupt hormone function and could even be linked to cancer. Next on the list are candy bars, which are a go-to for many when craving something sweet. These sugary delights are typically loaded with high fructose corn syrup, artificial colors, and preservatives. Over time, consuming these additives can lead to a buildup of toxins in your body, contributing to health issues such as obesity, diabetes, and even liver damage. The body struggles to process these synthetic ingredients, leading to potential long-term effects on your overall health. Remember, a healthier kitchen leads to a healthier life. The surprising foods that contribute to dementia and cognitive decline. When it comes to maintaining brain health, the foods we consume play a crucial role. Surprisingly, some everyday items in our diets may contribute to cognitive decline and even increase the risk of dementia. One major category of foods to watch out for is refined carbohydrates. Found in white bread, pastries, and many processed snacks, these carbohydrates can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Over time, this can lead to insulin resistance, which has been linked to an increased risk of Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. High sugar items are another culprit that can negatively impact brain health. Foods loaded with sugar, such as candies, sodas, and sweetened cereals, can lead to inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation damages brain cells and disrupts communication, ultimately affecting cognitive function. Small changes can lead to significant benefits over time. We encourage you to apply this knowledge to your daily life. Start by evaluating your pantry and making healthier swaps. Opt for whole foods, natural sweeteners, and safer cooking methods to create a more nourishing environment. If you found this information valuable, we invite you to engage with us further. Please subscribe to our channel for more health insights and tips on how to live a healthier lifestyle. Consider sharing this video with friends and family who might benefit from this knowledge. Together, we can spread awareness about the importance of making healthier food choices and empower others to take control of their health. Thank you for joining us on this journey toward better health, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.